What's up, Dev fam? Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can use a button bar. So the button bar is a widget, and it has a constructor of, it has a lot of constructors, and I'm not going to go over all of them, but I'm going to go over most of them. The one that we're really going to be focusing on today is this children, which takes a list of widgets. Now generally this should be buttons, but you're welcome to add in containers, cards, whatever you want. By default, the button bar lists all of our buttons in a row. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a raised button here. On press is required, so I'm just going to make an anonymous function. And our child, I'm just going to add a text widget. Just name that one. Alright, so everything is right aligned. Now let's go ahead and add a second button in here. There you go. So now we can see that everything is just being stacked to the right. We can fix that by updating the alignment via the button bar constructor alignment. And this takes a main axis alignment, and we're just going to center everything. There we go. So now these buttons are totally usable. We just have to set them up. For example, if we wanted to increment, kind of like the floating action button here, all we'd have to do is update our anonymous functions with the increment counter, and you'll see that we can now increment by using our buttons. Now the button bar is pretty smart. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this feature. If you have more than enough buttons to fill the width of the device, it's going to throw, instead of all of your buttons being in a row, it's going to throw it all into a column, like so. So this can be kind of useful if this is what you're expecting. However, this could get kind of difficult to work with if you have all your widgets up above and below this bar, and you have this dynamically set. It can get kind of frustrating. So now we can see that we have all of our buttons set up, and they all kind of look generic, like there's nothing really special to any of these buttons. Now this button bar has a couple of constructors like button to line drop down, button height, min width, and you'll see that it says overrides the surrounding button theme data. Now that's because it's overriding literally the whole button theme widget. All of our raised buttons are wrapped around in a button theme. So we could take this button bar and wrap it around a button theme and override the current button theme. Now whatever you don't infer is going to be inherited from the button bar's button theme default. Now just to show you, we can update the button color by doing colors.red. And now you can see that all of our buttons are now red. And you can update all of these constructors to change your the buttons attributes. And that is how you use a button bar. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If not, no worries. If you find this content useful, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos here coming. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you have anything to say, let me know. I'd glad to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.